So this is the second stop of the day, and we're visiting the railway land in Lewes, which is a new, new nature reserve. It's one they've been certainly doing some work on of late, but as you can see, railway gates used to be the main line came through here. Well, one of the lines closed in the 60s, I believe. Anyway, we're going to go through and see if there's anything worth seeing. Worth a little visit. It's a nice little walk round, especially if you've got a dog. But that's in Lewes. This is a lovely view of Lewes. It was a very busy through port for boats back in the 1800s. It was a hive of activity in Lewes, so it's still got that feel of it on this little bit. When you look up, you can imagine the tall boats coming in, clippers and stuff, I suppose, but interesting. Yeah, so they've done some work through here now. They've got some duck boarding down, which is good. Broad walk a little bit. This used to be quite muddy in the winter time if you came down here, but now the path's been renovated. It's now fairly hard standing. It's great. There's usually quite a few wrens and things around, so if we're lucky, fingers crossed. As you can see, they've done quite a bit of work. It's based around a chalk stream, and there's not many left in the world, to be honest. I think England's probably got the most. I might be wrong on that, but there's very few around, unfortunately. But yeah, it's a pretty place. It's so much nicer to walk around as well. Used to be kingfishers and that around here. The water level's quite low. We've had quite a bit of drought, not a lot of rain for some time now, so the stream's quite low. So the pickings for the birds, not brilliant, I guess. Anyway, let's go onwards and I'll catch you later. I thought I'd just stop off here a moment. This used to be a fairly good spot for kingfishers on this bit. You used to be able to see right up the stream. There's obviously a lot of foliage around at the moment, but yeah, they used to fly straight up the middle of the stream. I don't think we're going to probably be lucky today, but still, you never know. Pretty though. So they've got one sort of viewing platform here, which you're going to go and have a wait around on. It's quite good. Unfortunately, sometimes it does get visited by people of a certain occasion that like to smoke certain stuff, but fortunately it's early, so the tobacco, should we say, is still in the tin. Sad really, but there you go. This is another stage here. There are a few reed warblers around, so I might be lucky. I need to catch something before we depart. bye.